Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn how to create a glass effect in Figma. Let's begin by selecting a rectangle. You can choose the size according to your preference. I will set the width to 500 and the height to 700 pixels, with a border radius of 40 pixels. Adjust the opacity of the background color to 40%. Now find the Effects section in the right panel and select the Background Blur effect. Set the blur intensity to 100. Let's add a stroke to our rectangle. The stroke color will be a white gradient with 40% opacity, and the gradient should run from the top left to the bottom right corner. Now let's create a frame where we can place our rectangle with the glass effect. I'll create several circles with gradient fills in various colors. You can decorate your frame as you wish. Let's start experimenting with our rectangle. Let's see how it will appear with an opacity of 20%. We're all set to view the results. Here are 4 different variants of the glass effect. I prefer to begin with opacities of 40% and below, but feel free to experiment as you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See ya!